well enough. So it's Thursday night. Sorry I keep coughing, but so it's Thursday night, and tomorrow is Blackpool, so I'll be doing some videos there when I'm at Blackpool. So getting pretty pumped about doing some videos in Blackpool. So I'll do one at the top of the tower, and maybe more, maybe when I'm queuing for the dungeons or something like that. So that's going to be pretty awesome. So yeah, don't forget to have a look at my other videos that I've done, and don't forget to subscribe. So thanks for watching, and this was just a quick update because I felt